Hi all, welcome to Ultra Phoenix Technology. Today we learn about how to use slot command in CATIA. The slot command is a feature-based tool used to remove materials by sweeping a defined profile along a center curve, similar to how a rip command adds material. To create a slot, you need a planar profile sketch, the shape to be removed, a center curve, the path for the profile, and a reference element to define the slot's depth or direction. Let's see how to use in CATIA. To create a slot, we need uh, some solid body. So already I created one sketch uh, using sketch module. So this is the dimension for the sketch. You can create a body using pad command. So once uh, the solid is created, I created one more sketch using perpendicular plane. So this is our profile which material has to remove. So this is our profile. This is our path. So now go to slot and select your profile and select the center curve. Uh, you can give the preview. You can see the material removed along the center curve. So I hope everyone understand how to use slot command in CATIA.
Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get more update and notification from Ultra Phoenix Technology. Thank you all viewers and learners for watching this video.